A video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log in to the Rayan Bank. Now to do that, firstly make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up a web browser. Once the web browser opens up, on the search bar type in Rayan Bank and then hit the search button. After you hit the search button, you will be redirected to another page. Now on this page, simply click on this first link. After you click on this first link, you will be at the home page of Rayan Bank. Now on this page, on the top right corner, you'll see this digital banking option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, some other options will appear on your screen. Now on this page, simply click on this log on to desktop portal option by scrolling down. After you click on that option, you will be further redirected to another page. Wait for it to load. Once the page loads, you will see this menu on your screen. Now on this menu, simply click on the option you want to choose. So let's say if you want to use your mobile app, simply click on this use your mobile app option, and if you want to just log in, click on this use a password option. Once you click on that, you will be further redirected to another page. Now on this page, you will have to simply fill in your username here, your password here, and then click on this sign in option. Once you click on this sign in option, and if all your credentials are correct, you will be logged in to your account. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.